Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in to Charlani TV. In this super quick video, I am going to show you how I make my easy sauteed spinach. This is absolutely one of my favorite, really quick veggie go-tos. I started with about 1 to 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil, 3 to 4 cups of pre-washed baby spinach, and you can see that it really wilts down. I add in a little bit of Himalayan pink sea salt, and don't forget to throw it over your shoulder for good luck, and it is to taste. So if you make this a couple times, you'll know how much or how little salt you want to add, and then voila, we plate it up. Super easy, super yummy, and a really great way to get in extra veggies. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked the video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to Charlani TV yet, I would love it if you did. Bye guys!